microcurrents here. So frequency specific microcurrent cell repair technology is a German technology basically, which QI Spine has only introduced for the first time in India. जिससे क्या होता है कि जो हमारे सेल्स होते हैं इंटरनली जब भी कोई स्पाइन इंजरीज रहती है, ओके, तो वो एक हो जाता है, एक सेल डैमेज हो जाते हैं वहाँ पे. लाइक आई कैन नॉट एग्जैक्टली गो इनटू द मेडिकल लैंग्वेज ऑफ इट बिकॉज आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा, मैं इतना पैथोफिजियोलॉजी में घुस जाऊंगी तो इट्स लाइक द सेल्स आर गेटिंग इंजर्ड देयर. सो यू नीड समथिंग जो वो सेल्स को रिपेयर करेंगे, राइट? So cell repair helps in regenerating and repairing those damaged cells without the use of any medicines or injections and without any side effects. That is the thing, the main thing that we use here for the coming starting protocol. मतलब कोई भी patient का treatment शुरू हो रहा है तो initially 1-1.5 हफ्ता we make use of cell repair क्योंकि पहले pain कम होना चाहिए. उसके बाद the patient will be able to exercise better. Okay, and then the devices, as you can see, जैसे ही पेन थोड़ा सा मिनिमल हो गया, we work on muscle strength, of course, because जैसे हम कंसल्ट के दिन पे भी एड्रेस करते हैं पेशेंट को कि हर एक काम को करने के लिए आपका बॉडी का मसल्स का स्ट्रेंथ अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, 30% your bone will take up, 70% are your muscles. तो वो मसल्स को ट्रेन करने के लिए we do it in 2 ways. One is one-to-one exercise session with the physiotherapist and with the patient, and the other way is to train its control through controlled movement. तो ये जो 3 devices है, the device behind is the rotation device. The rotation device targets the side muscles, the oblique muscles. This one is the device for the abdominal muscles, the front muscles. Okay? हाँ. Just a second. And this is the extension device जो आपके back muscles के लिए होता है. तो हर एक डिवाइस पे हम पेशेंट को इंडिविजुअली ट्रेन करते हैं फॉर ईच ऑफ दीज मसल ग्रुप्स ताकि ओवरऑल उनका फंक्शनैलिटी बेटर हो. बिकॉज हमारा जो ट्रीटमेंट है बहुत गोल ओरिएंटेड है. पेशेंट अगर कंप्लेन कर रहा है कि आई एम ओनली एबल टू सिट फॉर से 20 मिनट्स, वी हैव टू इंक्रीज इट टू 30 to 45 मिनट्स दैट वे. सो इस तरह से हम एक गोल्स को एड्रेस करते हैं. So completely, if I have to put it up in just 2 words, it is very much patient oriented, as I told earlier also. Okay? So this is how we function here. This is how we work here through number of appointments, number of escalations, right? Treating the patients appropriately with the right form, the right technique of exercise. Quality maintain करना is very important. तो उसके साथ साथ patient compliance is also important. पेशेंट की तरफ से एफर्ट्स मिलना, उनका कंप्लाइंट रहना, उनका घर पे सब कुछ फॉलो करना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रॉपर पॉस्चर फॉलो करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ergonomic केयर फॉलो करना इज अगेन very very crucial in that way in their road to recovery. Do you all have any questions? I'll be happy to answer those.
Many answers has covered your questions. If anything left, you can ask.
Yes.
First of all, I should really compliment you because you are very smart. You have answered a lot of questions which I was going to ask.
Okay.
So my question was about the history and background of this hospital.
Okay.
If you have left something to speak about the history, you can.
Okay.
But along with it, I have the question about the evolution of this company hospital and what
Right.
are the major factors which have led to those evolutions.
Major factors is of course the founding members. See, I am not among the founding member. Okay, the founding members, as I've said about Mr. Nitin and Mr. Anuj Arendra, they are the CEO. And as I've told you that he faced a problem himself and he brought the idea here. So that is how the roots started building up that way. So he worked on it, and initially we did not have 22 clinics across India. Today we have 22 clinics across the entire country. So initially it was just one clinic. We just started with one clinic and slowly it started growing. So to answer the other part of the question, how has it evolved? It is through a lot of mass awareness. It is through a lot of education of the people around that they need to be aware because this is a very new concept. People don't know much about it. यहाँ पे भी जो patient आते हैं, half the time we have to spend to make them understand like what we do exactly, right? So the concrete effort has finally made its way that we are at a very good position today.
Any other questions?
Yes,
left?
I have a question.
Yes.
As you have already mentioned about the services, how you give.
Yes.
But my question is, what if a new customer comes? What is the first basic process of this rendering the service to the customer?
So the first thing is definitely consulting the patient because we are healthcare providers here, right? So the service that we give is the healthcare service, right? So the patient comes, the PRE team, the front desk team, as the patient counselor. We call them as a PC, patient counselor. So you will go to the patient, greet the patient, of course, because you need to be comfortable whenever you're coming at a new place, right? So once they're comfortable, the basic details are asked, how the pain has started, what is the history, are you on any medications, be it about diabetes, hypertension, or any other thyroid, any other systemic conditions, any surgeries done before. So the basic history part, the PC covers up and they fill it in the app. So when they come to us in the doctor's room and tell us the history, we get a general idea that what this patient exactly complains of. So with that idea, we step into the consult room and take the further part of the assessment properly. And after that, with the spine model, we have a lot of interactive, spine models and charts, so that we can make them visually understand with the feedback. मैं ऐसे ही बता दूंगी तो नहीं समझ में आएगा. If there is a model in front of you, एक spine model रहेगा, तो मैं भी easily समझा पाऊंगी, patient को भी समझना, visually उस चीज़ को imagine करना, visualize करना easy होगा. So that is how we educate the patient. We make them understand कि आपको ये problem जो हो रहा है वो कौन से structure की वजह से हो रहा है. If you know about the spine, उसमें vertebrae होते हैं, बीच में disc होता है, पीछे nerves होते हैं, तो आपको जो pain हो रहा है वो exactly किस reason से हो रहा है. Depending on that, we prescribe them the treatment कि कितना weeks of treatment की उनको जरूरत है. And that is how the journey begins.
Thank you for the answer. And to be honest, I really like that about AI app that
Correct.
provides the information. That was really amazing.
Thank you so much for the feedback.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
What kind of skill our employee needs to work with?
So basically a degree, a graduation degree is the minimal degree which is needed in physiotherapy, which is BPTH. I have completed my masters. I've done my postgrad in orthopedic conditions, in musculoskeletal conditions to be specific. So to be a doctor here, to be a treating doctor, you need to have a medical degree, of course. You need to be a graduate or a postgraduate in physiotherapy. And there are other teams as well. We have marketing team, we have PA team, we have the housekeeping staff here, we have the patient counselor here. So for them, the skills are very different, of course. For them, they need their education background in a lot of, working as a person who has been recruiting people, HR person, as you say, a human resource person, a managerial skills. So they need all of those skills, but to be an employee as a doctor, you need to have a medical degree. Thank you.
Anything else from? Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what will be your advice for our young generation for keeping our spine healthy?
Yeah, very, very important
Good
question.
question. Good question.
Very good question, of course. See, सबसे पहले तो don't ignore and don't neglect. Very, very important. आप लोग young हो तो छोड़ देते हो, correct? कि दुख रहा है, ऐसे ही दुख सकता है. But keep a close watch on it. कि कितना हो रहा है, कितना grade of pain हो रहा है आपको. Plus, it's very important that you're from now, you're very, very young, right? This is the right time that you cultivate the right habits. So keep a very active lifestyle. Lot of this generation is such that they are very much into the mobile phones. Hardly I see children nowadays stepping outside houses, playing outdoor games that way. So it's very important that you maintain an active lifestyle. At least develop one hobby, be it swimming, be it walking. कोई तो एक physical activity होना ही चाहिए. Along with that, it's important that wherever you're sitting, your sitting needs to be in the right way. Take care of your back. Make sure your feet is supported nicely on the floor when you're sitting. Make sure the S-shaped curvature of your spine is nicely maintained. Maintain a back support that way. Okay? And have a habit of exercising. Because अभी से आप exercise करोगे properly, तो आगे चल के आपको ऐसा medical care की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Like here we do not give general exercises. We give medicine-based exercises. Exercises जो patient की recovery के लिए ज़रूरी है. So y'all should not reach at that point, of course. So I want कि अभी से have the habit of exercising, have the habit of doing yoga or any particular thing in the right way, in the correct form. Again, very, very important. The technique, the form is very, very important. We have a lot of patients coming here, going to the gym and getting injured from gym. कि वेट उठा लिया, गलत वे में उठा लिया, डेडलिफ्ट कर लिया, गलत तरीके से कर लिया, बैक पूरा पकड़ लिया या फिर स्पाइन इंजर हो गया. तो वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सो मेक श्योर योर ट्रेनर इज गुड. डू नॉट ओवरडू कोई भी चीज़. यंग ब्लड होता है ना, बहुत जोशीला होता है. सो ओवरडूइंग एनीथिंग इज वेरी, वेरी बैड. रिस्पेक्ट योर बॉडी, रिस्पेक्ट योर कैपेसिटी कि आप कितना कर सकते हो. आपका दोस्त इतना कर रहा है इसलिए आप भी उतना करोगे, वैसा नहीं होता है. So understand what your body is up to, वो कितना कर सकता है, उसके हिसाब से you plan your schedule. Okay?
Thank you.
Anything else? Yeah.
Ma'am, in addition to this question, I have one more question that I sit 8 to 9 hours in my on bench at a
Correct.
single place. So it will be have any adverse effect on my?
Yes, of course. Sitting in itself is like, you're giving a slow poison to your spine. It is like that. So it's important that you break your posture. That is what we advise to our patients as well. कि एक साथ एक जगह पे 40-45 minutes के ऊपर बैठना ही नहीं है. You have to change your position because it is like you're stressing your spine in one way for a very long time. So you need to break it. The best thing you can do is just stand, walk around and come back again. So that gives a break to your spine. It doesn't allow your spine to get into that stressful situation for very long. So 8 to 9 hours of continuous sitting is a strict no for sure.
Done?
I have one more question.
Okay.
Once if the customer has become permanent customer, like if you have filled all of his data
Yeah.
and everything, is there any place assured for him to share his feedbacks or complaints?
Of course, like feedbacks can be shared. We have our own Google review link for sure, so they can share their experience over there. We have an entire PA team which takes into consideration the experience that the patient has. So जो भी patients हमारे साथ enroll होते हैं for the treatment, उनको backend से call जाता ही है to understand. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार treatment चालू हो गया तो patient is on his own. We make sure कि पेशेंट के हर एक कंसर्न्स इमोशनली साइकोलॉजिकली उनका जो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस है वो प्रॉपरली ऑन सेम पेज रहना चाहिए. डॉक्टर पेशेंट शुड बी ऑन सेम पेज एवरी टाइम. ऐसा नहीं कि पेशेंट कुछ और कहीं और है, डॉक्टर का दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है, वैसा नहीं है. So backend से they get the call, they can answer their queries. We have a central team, they can call up and tell whatever complaints भी अगर है और अच्छा भी feedback है so in writing on the Google review link. Otherwise they get backend call of course to understand कि patient experience कैसा चल रहा है. That you have been taking treatment. हम भी every 4th visit, every 8th visit हमारे ऐप में there is a link, assessment link करके होता है जिसमें हमको समझता है कि पेशेंट का अभी पेन पहले day 1 मैंने पूछा था तो 8 out of 10 पेन था. 8 out of 10 is a severe pain. तो अभी 4th visit, 8th visit इतना ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद अभी पेन कहाँ पे आया है. सो वी कीप रेगुलेटिंग इट थ्रू द आउटकम्स. उसको आउटकम्स हम बोलते हैं. तो ये पेन स्कोर है दूसरा एक जो स्केल होता है उससे हम आउटकम्स अपडेट करते रहते हैं पेशेंट का प्रॉपरली टाइमली बेसिस पे आफ्टर एवरी 4th visit टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ इज देयर प्रोग्रेस गोइंग ऑन विद अस.
That sounds really great and thank you so much for answering my question.
Yes.
Yeah.
What are the other ways for lead generation instead of social media?
So I feel the patients themselves, तो मार्केटिंग तो देखो सोशल मीडिया थ्रू होता ही है, बट पेशेंट्स जिनको हमने सक्सेसफुली रिकवर किया है, जिनको ऑर्थोपेडिक ने बोल दिया था दैट यू आर अ क्लियर कट सर्जिकल केस, बट दे डिडंट वांट टू गो फॉर सर्जरी एंड दे केम टू अस एंड वी कुड ट्रीट देम एंड नाउ दे आर फंक्शनिंग really very nicely. So they will go back and tell to 10 other people about the same thing, that how has their journey been and how have we made a very good and a positive difference in his life. So I feel कि पेशेंट का खुद का बोलना बहुत मैटर करता है, अदर देन जैसे सोशल मीडिया तो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मासेस तक पहुंचने का एक शॉर्टकट टूल है. We can reach to huge number of people through social media because every one of us are connected in it. But other than that, if the lead generation is other than social media, if you ask me, then it is definitely the patient themselves, I will say.
My name is Kajal Kore and my
Hi,
question
Kajal.
is related to the safety. So I would like to ask what kind of steps taken to ensure the safety of employees as well as visitors too.
Okay.
Because sometimes some visitors came. Let's take my example. I was little bit nervous because I was imagining that I am going to see some patients and I was nervous very much.
Correct.
So what kind of tips you would like to give to the visitors who feels nervous?
Okay, so in such case, the patient counselor who sit right at the front, they have a huge role to play because वो first contact पे आते हैं patient. Doctor comes as the second contact here. तो वो उनका बहुत बड़ा responsibility आता है वहाँ पे that they greet the patient, they make the patient comfortable, they ask them for water. देखो ये base बहुत ही छोटी चीज़ है, but for the patients who are really nervous उनके लिए बहुत matter करता है छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. So that is how it is. And of course, like greeting the patient and making them comfortable in a way is something, क्योंकि वो होते हैं कुछ पेशेंट्स इतने पेन में होते हैं that they are very apprehensive. So हम उनको ऐसा वेट नहीं कराएंगे, कोई इतने दर्द में है तो उनको पूरा 20 मिनट तक या 10 मिनट तक, मे बी मैं किसी और पेशेंट के साथ हूँ, वो जल्दी आ गए हैं, उनका अपॉइंटमेंट टाइम हुआ नहीं है, तो इट इज़ नॉट गुड कि इतने दर्द में इंसान को हम बिठा के रखें. सो अलॉटिंग अ रूम इमीडिएटली टू देम, गिविंग देम अ हॉट पैक थोड़ा सा ताकि वो रिलैक्स हो जाए, उनके रिलेटिव को अलाउ कर देना. वी डू अलाउ रिलेटिव, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट वी फॉलो हियर, कि हम रिलेटिव्स को बाहर वेट करते नहीं बोलते हैं. इट इज नॉट अ स्ट्रिक्ट रूल कि आप बाहर बैठ जाओ जो भी पेशेंट के साथ आया है. वी अलाउ द रिलेटिव इनसाइड द ट्रीटमेंट रूम, so they can be there with their family member, with their loved one, so that they are very comfortable that way.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
As you said, sitting more than 40 to 45 minutes is harmful for spine.
Correct.
So, what are the exercise for us? Because our lectures is about 2 hours or more than 2 hours.
Correct.
For 3 to 2 lectures, so it's 6 hours.
Correct.
So, what are the exercise we should do to treat our spine?
Basically extending your spine, because if you're sitting it is in itself a forward bending activity. So standing in place and just doing the extensions, because you do not have an access to a bed there when you are in your lecture. So just extending your back behind, because if this is causing us stress, so this will eliminate that excess stress which has got built up in sitting. Right, so just one movement, and other than that definitely you need to strengthen your core. So you have to do a lot of abdominal exercises, bridging exercise for your buttock muscle, you need to exercise your knee muscles, you need to address your back so that it is not very tight that way. So आप लोग मतलब it depends on the medical condition. You're very young, so you can go for stretches and all also, so that you can stretch your back nicely, so that it is not under undue tension for a very long time that way. So basically, but most important, you stand and do the extension and again get back to sitting. So that is the minimal thing that you can do in middle of your lectures. That will help you.
Actually, ma'am.
Yeah, please. You are trying to ask some.
What type of food do you prefer for strengthening our muscle?
So food wise, see, diet is a very a variable thing. हर एक इंसान के लिए बहुत vary करता है. I don't think I'll be the right person because I'm not a dietitian. I'm not specialized in that way. But protein-rich diet, अच्छा fiber-rich diet होना is very important. Proper sun exposure होना for good vitamin D levels in your body is very important. Because I have observed through the cases I've seen here that there are people who have a lot of vitamin D deficiencies.